See, he's not going to do anything. Oh, shoot, yeah, he does. Oh, he got the other piece of meat and he got it and he's gone.
Well, Kevin's chasing him with his back.
Come here, Rocky.
Kevin, now he's scared of you. Okay, watch. He's going to just jump back and run after you. And I'm recording and I'm going to be scared crapless.
Why? Is that a piece of the net?
No, where's that ham? Where's that?
Oh, he picked up that piece of ham.
No, that's...
Oh, whoopee, that's like a little piece.
We haven't cut out
Oh my god, Dad. He doesn't like ice, remember?
I know! A real live alligator. I've never seen one.
Where's Brina? On the computer?
Wow! No, it's great!
Oh, yeah, because she called out to me.
Oh, he's mad now.
Let's get some more ham.
Did he hiss?
Dad, get some more ham.
He's mad now because you hit him.
He's cute.
Oh, yeah, he's cute, so he bites you.
Well, I know they bite. I watch those animal shows.
He's coming back. Here he comes.
They
He's ready to fight Pablo.
they have one on Cubo. It's
To entertain a family.
bring an alligator.
My mom will be glad I'm getting this stuff.
Oh yeah, I'm sure she will. Crystal's gonna be so excited, going, "Oh man, you put my kids in danger."
Close to a gator.
Dad, why are you running to the water? You're like walking to the water
Shush.
casually.
Shush. Shush. Hon, what if he snaps onto that and you make a hole in it?
Kevin, look at you. You are just so crazy.
We're gonna put him in our pool.
Yeah, let's put him in the pool, Shauna.
Does he not have peripheral vision?
He can only see straight ahead.
Really?
Yeah, Kevin watches those animal shows too.
Sure.
He turns really quick.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Put him in our pool.
He turns really quick, don't you?
He is just adorable.
Get him to the side.
Papa, I'm getting all this on video.
Me too, Cameron.
Kid.
This is awesome.
Okay, why don't we have sandwiches tomorrow? Oh, we gave it all to alligator.
He's so
You
cute.
had the hand, might as well give him a piece of bread now.
As long as there's not another one behind me, I'm okay. See, Josh, did you see that? Where's Josh? Oh, he's gone. There's got to be fish out there, Dad.
Oh, crap.
I like how they walk.
Oh, whoa.
He's okay. He's not going anywhere.
Oh, look at how close
He's
He
not going
stops.
anywhere.
Gator. Cole. Gator.
Yeah, you walk away.
Yeah, you better walk away from the Credit family.
Here you go, Kevin.
You made him a taco.
I made him a burrito.
He's not a dog.
Name a burrito. There's our stuff.
He's not going to eat that.
Yeah,
Yeah, he is. You gonna touch him?
Well, good, man. Grab your foot.
Okay, I'm. Oh,
Where is he?
He ran back. I got it on video, don't worry.
There he is. There's Rocky.
Where is he? Where is he?
Eat it, Rocky.
There he is. Eat it, Rocky.
We're all watching. We're all witnessing him.